Next question. Uniform bar AB again. So let's draw uniform bar AB of length 6 meters. So AB length is 6 meters and weighs 40 newtons. So because this is uniform rod, weight will act at the center. Let's say M. Weight is given directly in newtons, so 40. It's acting downwards. Resting in horizontal position supports points C and D, where AC is 2. AC, let's say this point is C. So AC value is given as 2. And there is a support here. So RC we will get here. Then AD value is 5. 5 means somewhere here. AD value is 5. And this is again a support RD. When a particle weighing 30 Newton is attached to the bar at point E, the bar is on the point of tilting about C. Calculate the distance AE. So tilting about C will happen when you attach a point at E. So that has to be at this side, right?
Yes.
So this is downward force and 30 Newton is the weight given. We want to find the length AE. AM length we know it is half, so 6/2, correct?
Yes.
So now let's do it. Let's take this to the side. So because it is tilting about the point C, RD will be 0. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have RC unknown and the X value is unknown. If we want to find X, without finding RC, if you want, you can take moment about C, you will directly get it. Okay.
Yes.
Moment about C, if you take 40 newtons, distance CM. How much is CM? CM will be AM minus AC, no?
Yes.
That is 3 minus 2, that is 1. The CM value is 1. Let me put here CM value 1. Can you give me a minute? You can just try this problem. I'll be back in a minute. Okay?
Okay.
No, sir. More intox are big, but above 18 it is maybe 20.
Hello.
Yes. Sir.
So have you done it? Did you get the value? Okay, let's try. So 40 into CM, we got this CM value as 1, and this is rotating in clockwise direction, so negative. Then 30 newtons, distance is EC. What is EC? EC can be written as AC minus AE, no?
Yes. Sir.
AC value is 2 meters, so 2 minus X, correct?
Yes. Sir.
And this is moving in anti-clockwise, so plus. RD will be 0 anyway, so total should be 0, correct? So
Yes. Sir.
this negative term, let's send to the other side. That becomes 40, and on this side we are left with 30 into 2 minus X. So now send it to the other side. This is 0, this is gone. 2 minus X equal to 4/3. So X you have to send that side. So 2 minus 4 by 3 will be x. So 3 to the 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 3 is the value of x. Correct?
Yes, sir.